Welcome to Info Caretaker, where we explore the future, one question at a time. Today's topic, a question that's both exciting and unsettling. Will AI replace teachers? Let's break it all down. Honestly, clearly, and without the hype. What can AI already do in schools? What can't it do? And what does the future actually look like? Let's start with what's already here. AI's growing presence in education. AI isn't just knocking at the classroom door, it's already inside, quietly reshaping the way millions of students learn. First up, personalized learning platforms. These aren't your average educational apps. We're talking about AI systems that track how each student learns, their strengths, weaknesses, pace, even their frustration points, and then adjust the content in real time. Imagine a math problem set that changes based on how you solve the first few questions, or a reading assignment that adapts its difficulty to match your comprehension level. This isn't theoretical. Platforms like Khan Academy, Squirrel AI, and others are already doing this today. Next, automated grading and feedback. This one's a big deal for teachers. Grading essays, tests, homework, it takes hours. AI tools can now grade written work, detect plagiarism, and provide instant feedback, even pointing out where a student's reasoning went wrong. This doesn't just save time. It frees teachers to focus on what actually matters, working directly with students. And then there's the rise of virtual tutors and assistants. You've seen AI chatbots in customer service. Now they're helping students with homework. 24/7 support. No appointments, no waiting. You type a question. The AI explains the concept, walks you through the process, maybe even shows you a few different ways to understand it. It's like having a private tutor in your pocket. But here's where things get interesting and a little uncomfortable. If AI can do all this, where does that leave the teacher? That's the next part of the story. Challenges and concerns for educators. For every incredible thing AI can do in education, there's a serious question that follows. At what cost? Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Job displacement. When AI can tutor students, grade assignments, and personalize learning plans, some people ask the obvious. Why do we still need teachers? To be clear, we're not there yet. But the fear is real, not just among teachers, but entire school systems. Because education isn't just about delivering facts. It's about human connection, emotional intelligence, the spark that turns information into inspiration. And that's something AI doesn't have, at least not yet. Let's shift gears for a second. Even the smartest AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. And that data? It can be biased, deeply biased. Imagine an AI grading essays that unconsciously favors one writing style over another, or recommending different resources to students based on flawed assumptions about race, gender, or location. These aren't hypotheticals. We've already seen AI systems in other industries, like law enforcement and hiring, go horribly wrong because of biased training data. In education, that could mean unfair grades, skewed learning paths, or missed opportunities for certain groups of students. And in a space where fairness should be non-negotiable, that's a massive red flag. And then there's something even harder to quantify: the emotional side of teaching. Think back to your favorite teacher. Was it their lesson plan that made them great? Or was it the way they listened? The way they believed in you? The way they made you feel seen? AI can explain calculus, but it can't offer comfort when a student is having a bad day. It can't spot when a child is being bullied. It can't laugh with you, cry with you, celebrate your growth in a way that feels real. That's not just nostalgia, it's neuroscience. Studies show that emotional connection improves student learning, engagement, and resilience. Without it, education becomes mechanical. Efficient, yes, but soulless. So, no, AI isn't ready to replace teachers, but it is ready to change what teaching looks like. And that brings us to the future. The future of teaching, collaboration, and innovation. So if AI isn't replacing teachers, what does the future actually look like? Well, here's the optimistic vision. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. Let's start with something powerful. Teachers as facilitators, not just instructors. AI can deliver content. It can even tailor that content to each student's pace and level. But it can't yet teach curiosity. It can't coach creativity. It can't challenge a student to think differently just because it knows they're capable of more. That's where human teachers come in, as mentors, guides, and strategists, not just transferring knowledge, but transforming it. As AI takes on the more repetitive tasks, like grading or test prep, teachers get something they've always needed more of. Time. Time to design lessons that inspire. Time to work one-on-one with students who are struggling or racing ahead. Time to explore projects that teach real-world skills. Teamwork, critical thinking, innovation. In this future, teachers aren't replaced. They're unleashed. Freed from the grind of paperwork and admin, they can focus on what humans do best: connecting, adapting, and creating. Because here's a secret: AI is great at following rules. But when it comes to breaking the mold, that's still very much a human superpower. And with this shift comes something unexpected: new careers. Think about it. As AI becomes more embedded in education, someone has to train it. Someone has to develop the curriculum it delivers. Someone has to make sure it's ethical, effective, and inclusive. That someone could be today's teachers. We're talking about AI literacy coaches, curriculum technologists, ethics advisors, and digital education consultants. Roles that didn't even exist a decade ago, now opening up a whole new horizon for passionate educators. The bottom line? The classroom is changing, but the need for great teachers hasn't gone anywhere. If anything, it's growing. Because in a world powered by machines, human guidance becomes more valuable than ever. AI's impact on student learning. So, what about the students? How does AI change the way they learn? Turns out in some pretty powerful ways. First, let's talk personalization. AI-powered platforms can now track every click, hesitation, and correct or wrong answer, and use that data to build a learning path that's unique to each student. It's like having a private tutor who understands your strengths, weaknesses, pace, and learning style. Only it's running 24/7 across thousands of subjects. A fast learner can move ahead. A struggling student can slow down and revisit the basics. Everyone learns at their speed, not the class average. It's not one size fits all anymore. It's one size fits you. But it gets better, especially for students who have traditionally been left behind. AI tools are now unlocking learning for students with disabilities in ways we've never seen before. Text-to-speech readers, real-time captioning, adaptive interfaces for students with motor or visual impairments, even AI sign language interpreters. These aren't nice-to-haves, they're game changers, leveling the playing field and giving every learner a fair shot. Here's where it gets even more interesting. AI isn't just helping students learn content. It's helping them develop the skills they'll actually need to survive the future. Critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, adaptability. In AI-powered classrooms, students get hands-on with simulations, data analysis, and decision-making challenges. The kind of experiences that train the mind to think, not just memorize. Because in a world where machines know all the answers, the real value is knowing what questions to ask. So, is it all perfect? Of course not. These breakthroughs come with real challenges: data privacy, algorithmic bias, tech equity across different communities and school systems, and perhaps the biggest challenge of all, making sure students don't just learn from AI, but learn about it too. Because tomorrow's leaders aren't just going to use AI tools. They'll need to understand how they work, where they can fail, and how to use them responsibly. Bottom line, AI is revolutionizing learning. But it's still up to humans, teachers, parents, policymakers, to make sure that revolution is actually a good one, a collaborative future. So, after all this, the big question still stands. Will AI replace teachers? The short answer, no. But it will change what teaching looks like, forever. AI as a tool, not a replacement. The smartest future isn't one where AI takes over the classroom. It's one where AI stands beside the teacher, not in place of them. AI can analyze data, personalize content, and support accessibility. But it can't inspire. It can't mentor. It can't build trust with a scared kid who's afraid to raise their hand. Only a human teacher can do that. In this new era, teachers won't just deliver content. They'll become facilitators of deeper learning, mentors who guide students through complexity, innovators who design creative, human-centered experiences, things no algorithm could ever replicate. And the opportunities? They're huge. Teachers can now take on roles as curriculum designers, educational technologists, and data-driven learning strategists. What it means for students and society. This isn't just a shift in schools, it's a shift in society. The next generation of students will grow up with AI by their side, not just as learners, but as citizens, creators, and decision-makers. So we need teachers more than ever. Not fewer of them, but better supported, better equipped, and better valued. AI might be smart, but teachers are wise. And that wisdom, it's irreplaceable. If we get this right, if we combine the power of AI with the power of human connection, we can build a future where every student learns more, faster, and fairer than ever before. But it all starts with the teacher. Subscribe to Info Caretaker for more deep dives into how AI is transforming our world and what it means for you. Thank you for watching.